This is Alan Bush with the Daily Financial Forecast for Thursday, August 31st. Stock index futures putting in a very good performance today. This after economic reports around the world, for the most part, coming in better than expected. Here in the U.S., we had some good numbers. We had some stronger than expected inflation numbers out of the Eurozone and a better Purchasing Managers Index in China, all of which contributing to gains in the indices. In fact, we are not that far from new historical highs in the NASDAQ. So our feeling remains the same, that all of the stock index futures, the major indices, will make new historical highs before the end of the year. So nothing has changed at all in our long-term view. Also, these geopolitical problems that we have from time to time, of course, are a bearish factor. But ultimately, once those tensions are eased, it's the low interest rate environment that takes over to sustain this bull market for stock index futures. Moving over to the currencies, the dollar index firming for a second day, the euro currency under some pressure, but I think these are trends that will not continue. Any rallies should be sold in the dollar index. In fact, this rally we're seeing now, I think, is a selling opportunity. Also, the break we're seeing in the euro currency also should be viewed as a buying opportunity. Also seeing the Canadian dollar advancing after second quarter Canadian GDP coming in 4.5%, and that was better than expected. Interest rate markets, we still advise standing aside with fundamentals. They're very mixed, but we do very much like the long side of the gold market, as inflation now starting to become more of an issue. Geopolitical problems still very much there. So gold continues to be our favorite long, and I think any break in the gold market should be used as a buying opportunity. So good trading, everyone. And once again, remember, these are my opinions alone and are not the opinions of ADMIS or Archer Daniels Midland.